Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is the another question from NCERT. Here they have given if the third and the ninth term of an AP. So third term is given 4 and ninth term is given -8. Which term of the AP is 0? So which term? Let n be some term. So what is n you have to find if Tn is equal to 0. Let us take this one. This is a plus 2d which is equal to 4. My equation 1. T9 is equal to -8. A plus 8d. This is my equation 2 from 1 and 2. A plus 2d is equal to 4. A plus 8d is equal to -8. Subtract -6d. This is equal to 12. So this is d is 12 by -6, 2. So therefore d is equal to -2. We got the answer. Now using any of the equation, we can find the value of A. So I will take from 1. This one we can take directly from 1. So I shall say here from equation 1, A is 4 minus 2D, 4 minus 2 of -2, 4 plus 4, A is equal to 8. So we got A is equal to 8 and D is equal to -2. Let us say that let n be some term for which the AP is 0. Let n be the term for which our arithmetic progression of that term is 0. So I shall take this. What is Tn? A plus n minus 1 into d which is equal to 0. A we are having n minus 1, d is -2 which is equal to 0. So we can easily find the value of n using this. Eight minus 2n plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 10. 2n taking on the other side, n is 10 by 2, 5. Therefore, n is equal to 5. So T5 is equal to 0 or which term? Fifth term of AP. AP is 0 in this question.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This one. In the 17th term, the given is 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. We have to just find the common difference. T plus T of 17, that is A plus 16D. 10th term is A plus 9D plus 7. A get cancelled. 16D minus 9D will give you 7. This is 7D which is equal to 7. D is 7 by C. 7 by 7. Therefore, you are going to get D is equal to 1. So, we can say that the common difference, this common difference is equal to 1.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
So here AP is given to me. This is the given AP. Once you have the AP, we can easily find the required thing. So first term will give me A. Common difference is second term minus first term. I can get, so 15 minus 3, 12 I'll be getting. So D, we got 12 here. Let the required term be n if I take. So what is my Tn? This will be 132 more than its 54th term. This is what is given to me. So what is Tn? This is 132 plus A plus 53D. 132 plus A is 3 plus 53 into 12. So Tn is equal to 135 plus 53 into 12 will give me 636. This will give me 771. Now we found Tn is, that means the last term is 771. It is not my answer because I have to find which term. I have to find the value of n here still. This is the last one is, but which is that term? So A plus n minus 1 into D is 771. We have the values here. So 12n is equal to 771 plus 9. So 12n will give me how much here? 780. So n is 780 by 12. So therefore the required term is 65th term is the required term. So we can say here required term.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this question, given two APs have the same common difference. The difference of their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term we have to find? So let us take here, let A1 and A2 be the first terms of two APs. We can take AP1 and AP2, or I can say let AP1 and AP2 be two APs. A1 and A2 be the first terms respectively, and D is the common difference. Difference of both APs because it is the same given to me. So this much we will write. What is given to me? Suppose the 100th term. So AP1, the 100th term of AP1, I can take here AP1B, T100, 1 I will take. Similarly, 100th term of AP2, let it be T100, 2 I will take. They are given difference between these two is 100. So let us do that. Given difference between these two is 100. So for the first one, we know Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. Suppose if I am taking the 100th term of first one, First AP we are having A1, n minus 1 into d because d is common. So for second one we can write A plus n minus 1 into d. So we can write this A1 plus n minus 1 into d here minus of A2 plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 100. So A1 plus n minus 1 into d minus A2 minus n minus 1 into d is equal to 100. These two get cancelled. A1 minus A2, which is equal to 100, we are getting for the first time. So let us just keep this. Now it is given 1000th term respectively. That means T of 1000 of the first AP minus T of 1000 of the second AP is what we have to prove. Suppose if I put 1000, thing does not change here. A1 plus n minus 1 into d itself minus of here A2 plus n minus 1 into d itself. Once again I am getting A1 plus n minus 1 into d minus A2 minus n minus 1 into d. These two get cancelled. A1 minus A2. What is A1 minus A2? Which is nothing but 100 from 1. Hence I can say the difference between the 100th term, 1000th term is also, we will be getting the same. So therefore, difference of the 1000th term of the two APs is also 100.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this question, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So 3-digit numbers start from 100. Obviously, 100 is not divisible by 7. Next, if you go 101, not possible, 102, 103, 104, they are not at all possible here. But I can directly take 105. Suppose whenever you take 100, you try to divide 30. This remainder does not change for whatever you do. If it will come 101, if you take, it will come 1, 2, 3, 4. So obviously, when for the first one you see the remainder 30, you can keep seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth one, so obviously 105, because 7 5s are 35 we can easily get here, because 30 is the remainder till that particular 109 we get. So here if I put 5, divisible. So this is how we can easily take the thing here. So first one is 105 I have chosen. For the second one, first one, this is divisible by 15. So take the second one. Third one, simple you will be getting. So 17 into 14, if you want, you can check. This will give you 105. This will give me 98, obviously 2-digit. So thing starts from here, 1112, 119. So we can continuously take the rest of the thing here. So I can say beginning what we are going to get. 105 is my beginning number. 112, 119. Last number also I required, which is 999. So we can try to divide this 999 by 7. We can see what we are going to get. Divisible by 7 we are seeing. 19 is not possible. 14 is possible. So 994 can be easily taken here. So I can go by 7 into 14 here. This will give me the particular thing here. Suppose if I put 4 here, 7 2s are 14. So 7 into 142 will give me the another term, which is nothing but 994 for me. 994 is the last term which I have to get it. Now, this is the given AP for me. Even if you want, you can take one more thing by multiply by 18 also. So, A is equal to 105. What is D? D is 112 minus 105. You are going to get 7 here. So, D is 7. What we have to find here? How many 3-digit number are there we have to find? That is nothing but Tn I am having. Last one is 994. So put the formula. This will give me there are total 128 terms. So we can say therefore there are 128 terms which are divisible by 7, which are 3-digit numbers.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.